Today, I'll walk you through how to do a Snapchat Ask Me Anything, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your Ask Me Anything session so you can engage with your friends and followers in a fun and interactive way. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. This is your gateway to a world of creativity and connection. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates frequently and the core functions remain the same. Once you're on the camera screen, look for the search icon. It's usually located at the top of the screen, resembling a magnifying glass. Tap on that icon to begin your journey into the world of interactive lenses. This is similar to searching for a book in a library. You need to know what you're looking for to find it. Now type in Ask Me Anything in the search bar. This will bring up a variety of lenses that fit your request. Think of this step as browsing through a menu at your favorite restaurant. You want to find the dish that excites you the most. Once you've entered your search, you'll see a selection of available lenses. Choose the one that best suits your preference. Each lens offers a unique twist on the Ask Me Anything concept, so take a moment to explore your options. It's like picking out an outfit for a special occasion. You want to feel comfortable and confident. After selecting your preferred lens, you're ready to start your Ask Me Anything session. Simply follow the prompts on the screen and invite your friends and followers to participate. This interactive feature is a fantastic way to connect and share insights, making your Snapchat experience even more engaging. As you engage with your audience, remember to have fun and be yourself. This is your chance to showcase your personality and connect with others in a meaningful way. If you run into any issues during this process, don't hesitate to revisit these steps. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Practice makes perfect. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.